Okay, so I'm going to first start off with using the example of Chapter 3, Problem 3. And I'm going to solve this by using a diagram. So I'll first read off the problem. The problem says, I stopped at a street corner and asked for the directions to Burger Jack. Unfortunately, the person I asked was Larry Longway, whose directions are guaranteed to be too complicated. He said, you are facing north. Go straight for 2 blocks, turn left. Go straight for 1 block, turn right. Go straight for 3 blocks, turn right. Go straight for 5 blocks, turn right. Go straight for 3 blocks, turn left. Go straight for 1 block, turn right. Go straight for 4 blocks, turn left. Go straight for 2 blocks, turn left. Go straight for 1 block, turn left. Go straight for 5 blocks. Then you are there. By the time I arrived, I was out of breath and Burger Jack was closed. Please give me the directions for the closest path from my original spot to Burger Jack and assume there are no dead ends. So first, what we're going to do is draw kind of like a, what would be a city map. So with different types of streets. So since there are no dead ends, we can just make lines. Let's see. Okay, so here's like our city map that we're going to use. And I am going to use green for Larry Longways. Oh, maybe not. I'm going to use red for Larry Longways way. Okay, the way he said, first he said, so he said you were facing north. So I'm going to first put, we're going to start right here. Okay, and we're facing north, so use our directions. So we are facing this way. We're gonna start with his directions. So first, go straight for 2 blocks. So 1, 2. And then we're going to turn left. So this way is left for 1 block. And then turn left, then go straight for 1 block. And then turn right, so right is this way. And then we're gonna go straight for 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna turn right again. So right is this way. And we're gonna go straight for 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then turn right again and go straight for 3 blocks. So we're gonna turn right, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to turn left, go straight for 1 block. So this way is left, 1 block. Turn right and go straight for 4 blocks. Turn right, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then turn left, go straight for 2 blocks. So this way is left because he's facing this way. So he's facing this way. Go, turn left and go for 2 blocks. 1, 2. And then turn left again and go 1 block. And turn left again. And go straight for 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you are there. So this is where Burger Jack is. Okay, so the way Larry Longway had it was a very complicated way. Now we have to find the directions for the shortest path. And since I don't have green, I'm just going to use blue again. So like the shortest path could be, say something like, start with his, say, you're facing north, turn around, so turn around and face south. So now he's gonna face this way. So he's gonna go down 1 block, and then he's going to turn left and go 2 blocks. 1, 2, and then he is there. Go straight for 2 blocks. You are there. So see how much simpler it was to find the Burger Jack instead of Larry Longway's. And each block represents 1 block. So like where each intersection point is 1 block. So all I did was follow the steps to this and then made it an easier way. So for draw a diagram, it says to clarify relationships that appear complicated. So the way Larry Longway gave was very complicated, and we found a simpler way. And it has to be a picture or a visual representation. So here's the picture and the visual representation, and it correctly interprets information. So the information we used to get to Burger Jack from Larry Longway's directions, and then we found a simpler way to use our own directions. So, and then what I learned is that diagrams really help with visual learners. It helps them clarify a problem, especially when things are listed like this problem. Diagrams can solve a problem faster, depending on the problem. So like story problems, if a story problem gets too long, sometimes it's hard to follow, so you can make a diagram, any type of diagram, to help you solve the story problem. And diagrams can range from shapes to directions to blueprints. So say you needed to find another side length of a triangle, you can draw out the triangle and it'll help you find the side length. Or like finding the area will help with visual representation and drawing a diagram.